Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangbak Jylla Konrad ki sangma ulaong baka Sorkar Jylla kadang ye Kren bat ka Sorkar India Halor ka hukum badiban roilut ye kidkhot jongga Jingrwai Vande Mataram. Hapakran sikila patay kubor Konrad ulaong bakani kadai ka hukum ka bami na ka Sorkar India bat kalodon bun bah ka jiatay Halor ka nikaman bat yamenta ulaong ba ka Sorkar kadang pet ye kilat kilenti kumno banya Kren bat ka Sorkar pedeng. Halor ka special intensive revision ban penbet thama ya ka thup kerteng thap vote khnang baki bri ki bamdei hok kimdei banyo Konrad ulaong ba klempep ka Sorkar kan le ya kata bat kan ya keren ya ka election commission namar ba ka Sorkar ruka kwa ya kata bat ula keren shai ba klempep kan mi ka thup kerteng thap vote ka batmai.
Yes, in fact, this was an issue that has come up in the past. We have also discussed this, but it's a standing order that has come from Government of India. And it is an order that has said that whenever governor is present, it will be played. And as I said, it's being implemented throughout the country. There is, of course, a lot of debate about it. It's definitely a matter that we are also taking up with Government of India to see how we can address this particular issue that is in front of us.
So following the issue relating to the voting rights in the autonomous district councils, now the demand NGOs are demanding the state government to also amend the ST Order 1950 because in that ST list, Meghalaya recognize other...
See, we will be coming out with a separate electoral roll. We have made it very clear. And we will be basing it on the basis of the rules that is being followed on all the district councils. And we will be looking at all the constitutional provisions. But we are very, very clear that a separate electoral roll must come out. No, that aspect we have not checked. We'll examine that aspect. That I have not seen yet. I have to understand what exactly the point is.
So there is also demand for SIR also. So
yes, SIR is something that we are very keen. As a state government, we feel very strongly that SIR should be implemented, and we are for it. And we will see when the situation arises. We are in touch with the Government of India as well as Election Commission has communicated, but we don't have the exact dates and the exact process. But we are definitely. It's something that should be done.